Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete my OKX account permanently. If you're wondering, you can download OKX from the Google Play Store or App Store. First, open the app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then you'll see your profile. Tap it again to open your profile and settings page. Once you're there, scroll through the options and select Security. Next, tap on Security Center. Scroll down until you find the options Freeze Account and Close Account. There are two ways to delete your OKX account. The first option, Freeze Account, temporarily deactivates your account and you can easily reactivate it later by logging in again. The second option, Close Account, will permanently delete your account, and once you do that, it cannot be recovered. And that's it. That's how you can delete or deactivate your OKX account safely and easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.